everyone, it's Mackenzie and welcome back to my channel Cooking for Health. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon meringue pie. For this recipe, you will be needing 1 batch of my gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free pie crust. I will link a video to that in the description box down below. For the filling, you will need 2 eggs, 4 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, the zest of 1 medium lemon, a half cup plus 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I just used the juice from the lemon I had zested and added a bit more since it wasn't quite enough. A half cup of water and a half cup of honey. The first thing we're going to do is pre-bake our pie crust. Here I'm just poking some holes in it with a fork. And then you're going to go and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Now we're going to whisk together our eggs, egg yolks, and tapioca flour. In a saucepan, we are going to heat our lemon juice, lemon zest, water, and honey, and just until the honey is melted. Now we're slowly going to pour our heated mixture into our egg mixture, stirring constantly. And you want to make sure that your mixture isn't too hot or else you'll start to cook your eggs. Here I have put my lemon egg mixture back into the saucepan and I'm just going to stir it constantly on low heat until the mixture starts to thicken, and this can take a while. Usually it's close to 10 minutes. Then we are going to pour our filling into our baked pie crust and set that aside. For the meringue, you will need 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 2 tablespoons of honey, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of boiling water, the 4 egg whites from earlier, and a half teaspoon of cream of tartar. You're going to start by combining the egg whites and cream of tartar in a mixing bowl. In a really small bowl, you are going to combine your tapioca flour, honey, and vanilla extract. Once that is all combined, we are going to add our boiling water. Then with a mixer, we are going to whip our egg whites and cream of tartar until foamy. And then we are going to add our honey mixture, and then we're going to continue whipping it until it forms stiff peaks. As you can see, if I dip my fork in it and create a little peak, it will stay in place and it won't flop over. Then we're just going to pour all of our meringue on top of our pie, and then we're going to take a spoon and kind of swirl it around to make sure it's spread out evenly. We are going to bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes or until the meringue is golden brown.
That's super lemony and so good, Mackenzie. I like how smooth it is. Excellent.
Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And don't forget that you can also comment down below to give me suggestions on what I should make next. See you next time. Bye!